Hello and welcome to buyproperty.com. We are back with one more residential project, Woodview Residence by Lotus Group, located in Sector 89 on Dwarka Expressway in Gurgaon. This project was launched a few months back in 2014 itself, in price range of approx rupees 6,500 per square feet. It is expected that in future prices will rise because housing prices have jumped nearly 3 times, from rupees 2,462 per square feet to rupees 7,000 per square feet on Dwarka Expressway in Gurgaon during 2009 to 2013. Woodview Residence is situated in a place which is known as New Gurgaon. This project is located on 135-meter multi-corridor road. Woodview Residence is next to Sector 88, which could be the next cyber city of Gurgaon. This location is surrounded by special economic zone, industrial, residential, commercial and open area, that is Sector 94. Dwarka Expressway is only 1 kilometer from this location. National Highway 8 is just 2.5 kilometer from Woodview Residence. Proposed ISBT metro station will be within 2 kilometer from this location. Lotus Valley International School will be there under the township of Lotus in Sector 89. HDFC Bank and Hyatt Residency are operational in vicinity of 3 km. Woodview Residence is offering fully furnished apartment with luxury specification like modular kitchen, Italian marble, AC, wooden flooring, external texture paint, doors with video phone and much more, with world-class architect by Binoy, who designed world-famous Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi. This project can be good option both for end user and for investor, as Woodview Residence is available in small size of 180 square yard to 500 square yard, that too in luxury segment with international designing. This project is recently launched and its possession date is scheduled after 4 years, that is in 2018. Lotus Greens Developers Private Limited, owned by Nirmal Ji, is Noida-based real estate firm. They have delivered projects like Lotus 300, Lotus Panache, Lotus Boulevard, Lotus Zinc in Noida successfully. They have all approvals in place. Home loan is also available for this project from all major banks. I hope all this research on Woodview Residence will help you before you buy this property. Before we sign off, here is a tip for you. Don't forget to include clause for late possession in your agreement, because in case the possession is not handed over to you within the promised time period, then builder is entitled to pay you a monthly penalty. You are with buyproperty.com, India's first website to cover detailed profile of largest real estate community in India. Be the part of India's exclusive platform and speak up. You can send your reviews, your experience through videos, or you can mail us on feedback@buyproperty.com, or you can call us on 9718044443. And don't forget to research on buyproperty.com before you decide to buy.